How to remove suggested people on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove suggested people on Messenger or how you can remove your suggestions that you get on Messenger. Now go ahead and open Messenger, and when you're on login account, go to the three-line icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Now here you'll get a little settings icon just beside your profile. Click on it, and if you scroll down below, you'll get the option phone contacts just below the data saver option. Now open it, and here you'll get the option upload contacts. Now if this is toggled on your account, then be sure to toggle this off, because if you toggle on your contacts, then it will show all your contacts on your suggestion list. So make sure you have toggled this off, and you'll get the other option manage contact. Go ahead and make sure to delete all contacts. Now once you do this, it will delete all your contacts that has been uploaded on Messenger, and you won't get suggestions. So this way you can remove suggested people on Messenger. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.